Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Happy Monday. It is April 20th. Spring break is over, which is sad, but I'm very excited to see you all. I missed you guys all more than you know over spring break here in Philadelphia. So let's jump into our agenda today and get started. So let me present this screen. We are going to talk more about spring break in your do now. So we'll get to kind of reflect. I'll get to hear what you guys have been up to. So welcome back. Obviously, our objective for the day, we're continuing with Anthem. When we read part 6 at the right before spring break started on that Thursday, that was like a section off point. So like the next few sets of parts, so 7 through 10, are kind of a different section. So we actually ended at a really good spot. But today, Equality is going to meet the council officially and show him his invention. So we're going to kind of see and analyze how his actions affect the council. Before we do that, we're going to do the do now. We're going to talk about the new schedule and how that affects you and what you need to look out for. And then you guys are going to read part 7 of Anthem today. So your do now, you guys wrote for me goals on that Thursday, spring break goals. I want you to reflect, did you complete your spring break goal that you set? Some of you wanted to interact with your family more. Some of you wanted to find ways to stay fit at home. So I wanted you to reflect on this. Did you complete it or not? It's not a big deal if you didn't. But I want you to tell me about your spring break. You know, if you didn't complete your goal, what else did you do? I missed you guys all a lot. I think my goal, I told you guys, was that I was going to read a full book. I did not read a full book. I read about half of a book, about 150 pages of one. I'm enjoying it right now. But I did pick up a weird new hobby of acid washing t-shirts. So I have this, like, you guys all have your 10th grade t-shirts, and I acid washed this. There's like a cool spiral on the back. So just like finding ways to keep busy, staying inside. And I did yoga every day, and I ran most days that I was feeling up to it. So that was my spring break. Tell me about yours in the do now in Google Classroom. So our new schedule, English class is now from 11 to 12. The pre-recorded daily video must be watched at 11 a.m. daily. And the reason why I say that is because sometimes class might require you to come into a live session, depending on the day. That will be clear in this daily video. I'll say, okay, now I'm waiting for you in Google Meet. I expect you there by 11:10, whatever that might be. So some days we might require a live session. Now that we have this new schedule, there's no overlap, so you would be able to meet me from 11 to 12 if that is what class required. It won't be every day, but it will be some days. So just making sure that we're watching the pre-recorded video at 11 a.m., right on the dot when it's posted. That way you know what to expect for the day. And there are new class weights. So classwork, homework, all of these things are weighted differently now. And I would refer you to Miss Campbell's email for more information on that. And if you have questions, direct them to me or any of your teachers or your advisor, and we'd be happy to help you explain those. But it is different. So today in Anthem Part 7 in Actively Learn, Equality is going to meet the council. And remember, I was kind of going through and reflecting on all of your work that you did before spring break. Equality is one person, and he is a man. So Equality -75217, whatever that number combo is, he is one person, okay? And he's a man. A lot of people are referring to Equality as she. He refers to himself using we, our, and us, and others refer to him as they and them. Okay, we talked about thematically why this is happening. They live in a society where they're all supposed to be equal. There's not supposed to be any individuality or selfishness. So it's all we, our, us, they and them, referring to single people because it's a collective group. So today when the council's addressing him, it sounds a little weird in the dialogue because he's saying, well, we did this for our brothers. We did this for, like, we invented this light for our brothers. And they're saying, referring to Equality, him as they. they're reacting in a specific way, and they're saying, well, they did this and they did that, but really they're referring to one person. It's a bit confusing, but I want you to keep that in mind as you continue reading today. And as you read, think about what this society values more than innovation and technology. So equality is bringing innovation to them. He's bringing this amazing sense of technology. What is it that this society and that this council, what do they value more than that? Because there's something else that's more important to them than technology and innovation. So I want you to think about that as you read today. So today, you guys are going to be on your own, doing your Actively Learn, and I will be in Google Meet if you have any questions. I did not write on there, but I do have office hours as well from 2 to 2:45. All of your teachers do. So if you're doing this work now between 11 and 12, phenomenal. That's what you should be doing. It won't take you more than an hour. But if there's any residual questions about anything, grades, the assignment of the day, 2 o'clock, I will be in our Google Meet every single day to answer questions for you or to help you, whether it's writing help, reading help, comprehension, whatever you need. I am here to help you. So I'm happy to have you back. I'm happy to be back. And let's keep going. Let's keep killing it. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.